Hello lovelies, this is the Russian chain stitch. We are grouping together 3 lazy daisy stitches to form a clover shape. We are going to bring our needle up through the fabric and then we're going to go back down in that same hole, leaving a loop. Then we are going to bring our needle back up through the fabric a stitch length away in the middle of that hoop. Pull your needle through and then you're going to tack that in place with a tiny little stitch at the very top, making a lazy daisy. Your next stitch is going to come up inside the top of that loop, slightly to the left, and we're going to do another lazy daisy. So bring your needle up through the fabric and then we're going to make a loop and go back down through the fabric. Remember to keep your loop, and we're going to bring our needle up a stitch length away inside the loop. It's going to be roughly the same size as that first lazy daisy. So tack that in place and then you're going to do your third lazy daisy stitch. You are again going to come up through the inside of that loop at the top. You're going to make your lazy daisy stitch and there you have it, your Russian chain stitch. Now a couple of those orange ones, I did the lazy daisy upside down. I don't think it really matters. I'm sure there will be some purists out there who will say, no Amanda, that's wrong, you're wrong. However, I've left them there so you can see what they look like done the wrong way. And that is your Russian chain stitch. Here they look like little seed pods flying off into the sky. Happy stitching.